Honorable Speaker, sir, I thank the Honorable Member for raising questions on the School Management Association of Fiji. So by way of background, the School Management Association of Fiji was established in 2011. As Honorable Member may be aware of, it was through membership subscription. And they represent, the School Management Association represents faith-based community managed schools and support schools management committees in strengthening governance. How the grant has been utilized, the Honorable Member is fully aware for any grant that has been given, it has to be under grant agreement vetted by the Office of the Solicitor General, and specifically stating the purpose of the government grant, which is for the operational expenses of the grant recipient, and must only utilize the grant for the purpose and must strictly adhere to the implementation plan requirements and time schedule set out in the agreement. Mr. Speaker, sir, this financial year is the first time that a grant has been allocated, totaling $500,000. And this is released in tranches, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. We still yet to complete this financial year. As for Q1, just October 2025, the amount of $200,000 was released in accordance with the grant agreement. Acquittals are provided. Second quarter, $125,000, and third quarter, $125,000, and we yet to pay out the amount for the for quarter. Mr. Speaker, sir, the School Management Association has also provided audited accounts. The last one was in 31 December 2025, and further reporting and requirements will be required on this grant agreement in terms of annual reporting will detail the activities that they carry out. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry closely monitors the utilization of the grant, the School Management Association of Fiji, to ensure full compliance, transparency, and alignment with approved purposes. The utilization of the grant has been in line with the SMAF's mandate and approved activities, which include the following key areas: establishment and maintenance of a centralized SMAF database aimed at improving data management, coordination, and accessibility of information relating to school management structures nationwide. The delivery of capacity building workshop and training programs for school management committees, focusing on governance, leadership, strategic management, and financial management. The development of and maintenance of SMAF's digital platform, including its website and social media channel to improve communication, engagement, and information dissemination. The association successfully organized and hosted its annual conference, which provided a national platform for dialogue, consultation, and collaboration on key issues affecting school management in Fiji. And the grant supported donor coordination workshop, engagement meetings, and the establishment of structured dialogue, quarterly dialogue sessions between SMAF and Ministry of Education. And also part of the funding was used for administrative and operational costs, including office rental, purchase of equipment, accommodation, vehicle operations and maintenance, secretarial field costs such as air and boat travel, meals and accommodation, as well as salaries and wages for staff and project coordinator. Mr. Speaker, sir, the SMAF continues to play a very important role in complementary strengthening governance capacity at school level, particularly in an environment where significant public funds are allocated to school grants annually. I commend the work of the SMAF, and it is focused on building the capacity of school management committee, members in governance, leadership, accountability, compliance, and effective school oversight, ensuring alignment with Ministry of Education priorities.